A vote for stability on Fumio Kishida's win in Japan. This editorial is on 3rd November 2021. The vote for Fumio Kishida underlined the dominance of the LDP in Japan's politics. इन सब की मीनिंग आप ब्रैकेट में देख रहे हैं, तो किसी मीनिंग ना पता हो तो आप ब्रैकेट में देख के समझ सकते हैं. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, अ वोट फॉर स्टेबिलिटी ऑन फूमियो किसिदा's win in Japan. The vote for Fumio Kishida underlined the dominance of the LDP in Japan's politics. अब जैसे now, okay, defying expectations, Japan's ruling Liberal Democratic Party, LDP full form is Liberal Democratic Party, stormed means to rapidly become very successful. And this editorial is very helpful for your English vocabulary, okay, and for any other exam. Defining expectations, Japan's ruling Liberal Democratic Party LDP stormed to an outright majority in the country's parliamentary election on Sunday. इसमें आपको मैं मीनिंग स्टॉर्म्ड मीन टू रैपिडली बिकम वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड टू एन आउटराइट मीन्स प्रत्यक्ष, निश्चित, ये स्पष्ट कह सकते हो, स्पष्ट मेजोरिटी में. ठीक है, तो इसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर को लेके बताया है. आपका प्राइम मिनिस्टर इसमें कौन सा इसमें जापान का प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन है? फूमियो किशिदाज़. विन इन जापान, जापान में फूमियो किशिदाज़ प्राइम मिनिस्टर के तौर पर चुने गए हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा मेजोरिटी में, काफ़ी बहुमत कह सकते हो, बहुमत, मेजोरिटी इन द कंट्रीज पार्लियामेंट्री इलेक्शन ऑन संडे. द इलेक्शन वर द फर्स्ट मेजर टेस्ट फॉर द न्यू प्राइम मिनिस्टर. यस, एंड Fumio Kishida, who took over last month amid enormous challenge. He followed the short-lived tenure of the Yoshihide Suga, who succeeded Shinzo Abe. Japan's longest surviving prime minister, Mr. Abe, stepped down in 2020, citing health reasons. इसमें अगर सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट आप करंट अफेयर्स देखोगे तो करंट अफेयर्स आपका है शिंजो आबे, जापान्स लॉन्गेस्ट सर्वाइविंग प्राइम मिनिस्टर. हु इज़ जापान्स लॉन्गेस्ट सर्वाइविंग प्राइम मिनिस्टर? तो कौन है? शिंजो आबे. मिस्टर आबे स्टेप डाउन. मिस्टर आबे ने स्टेप डाउन कर दिया था, यानी इस्तीफ़ा दे दिया था, त्यागपत्र दे दिया था, छोड़ दिया 2020 में, साइटिंग हेल्थ रीज़न की वजह से. हेल्थ रीज़न की वजह से मिस्टर सुगाज ईयर लॉन्ग टर्म वॉज द मार्ड. मार्ड मीन्स स्पॉइल, रूइन, डिस्ट्रॉय, इम्पेयर, मतलब ख़राब हो जाना, बर्बाद होना, या कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. इसमें सारी मीनिंग लिखी है इसे. बाय हिज गवर्नमेंट पुअर हैंडलिंग ऑफ कोविड-19 and economic woes, facing the lowest approval rating of any Japanese leader in years. He resigned. Entering the election in these circumstances, the LDP, which held 276 seats in the 465 seat House of Representatives, Parliament of Japan, the national diet is made up of two houses or chambers. It is composed of lower house called the House of the Representative and an upper house, the House of Councillor. Before the polls was bracing, prepare oneself for something difficult, unpleasant, that is imminent, about to happen, for a poor show, with wide expectation that it would need to rely on. Rely means पर या पर भरोसा करना, विश्वास रखना, निर्भर होना. इट्स कॉलिएशन. तो इसमें सब ज़्यादा आपके लिए यूज़फुल यही होगा, न्यू वर्ड्स जो आपको मिलेंगे वोकैबुलरी आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा इंप्रूव होगी इससे. ठीक है, आपको खुद भी प्राउड फील होगा, मुझे वोकैबुलरीज न्यू याद हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो एक ही 2 टाइम्स वीडियो को 2 बार आप ज़रूर देखें. इट कॉलिएशन मीन्स गठबंधन, संघ, साझेदारी, विद द commit party to cross the halfway mark. but it coasted to victory sorry un sorry मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ unencumbered, not having any problem, difficulty. I'm having problem in this word to pronounce unencumbered, difficulty, unaffected by clear off, by coalition consideration. Coalition means गठबंधन संग साझेदारी. Consideration factor, issue, point, concern, aspects. तो इसमें आप ज़्यादा करके अगर देखना चाहें तो वोकैबुलरी प्लीज़ अब लिख लेना, बार बार ज़रूर देखना. Mr. Kisida now has to deliver on a range of the pressing means urgent, critical, crucial, important challenges, including the pandemic, the worldwide spread of new disease. The illness spread around the world and typically affected a large number of people across a wide area. The economic and on the security front is a particular situation, a particular hour of activity. Relation with China. He has a committed to bolstering means strength, support, reinforce, buttress, support to the hospital to ensure a far better response should Japan face another way. On the economic front, he has a put forward. Put forward means purpose, offer, advance, propose, offer, advance, submit, present, a new capitalism. Capitalism means and private ownership, private internship and private ownership. तो हम कैपिटलिज्म कहते हैं. Aimed at an economic revival means improvement, relying, picking up, establishment, reintroduction, restoration. मेरी भी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव होगी. Keeping the interest means common concern, benefit, advantage of the middle class as a priority. He has a pledged. Pledged means vow, state, promise, swear, give one's word, given an assurance, commit oneself, to come up with, produce, come up with means produce, put forward, present, submit. And ambitious. Ambitious means formidable, challenging, demanding. Stimulus means impetus, boost, incentive, fillip. Package this month. On he will have to keep in mind the wishes of the parties, conservative, right-wing, traditionalist, convention, orthodox, bloc, alliance, associations, union, which is calling for the significant increase in defense spending. Those are voice, opinion. Voice means opinion, view, comment, feeling, wish and desire. He cannot ignore considering that the new leader, Mr. Kishida, was also a foreign minister. Yes, has no real popular public mass and societal support to call upon. Call upon means appeal to, ask, urge and will be beholden. Beholden means indebted, obligated, under an obligation, duty bound to what his party wants. In the election campaign, convincing, electioneering, an act of soliciting means asking for, requesting votes, and organized effort that seeks to influence that decision making progress with a specific group. The LDP said it would double defense spending to 2% of the GDP. China's recent air incursions means intrusion, trespass, infiltration, obstruction into Taliban were cited as one major reason as also North Korea missile, a self-propelled rocket-propelled weapon designed to deliver conventions nuclear explosive warhead with great accuracy at high speed projectile test. Mr. Kisida has said he will focus on shorting up. Shorting up means support, help, assist someone and something from. Bolster up, buttress, strength, fortify, reinforce, underpin, something from decline. Relation with Washington and in his early days has already reached out. Reached out means contact someone to obtain, offer help, assistance, cooperation to the leader of the Quad. He has also spoken with China's President Xi Jinping with positive noise. Remark and comments with positive noise का means कह सकते हैं remark या comments about getting relation on track. Ultimately, matter at home will decide which of his two previous predecessors means previous things, but that is replaced now. Mechanism in this context. Mr. Kisida ends up emulating. Emulate means imitate, follow, mirror, take as a model, take an example. Given the flagging means declining, and reputation means name, character, standing, stature, status, position of the LDP towards the end of. End of means end oneself या फिर to particular course of an action in the end or eventually. Mr. Abe's term and though Mr. Suga's turbulent means stormy, unstable, unsettled, tumultuous, full of the ups and down, roller coaster, caustic. Time in office, the vote appeared to be as much as endorsement. Endorsement means support, backing, approval for stability as it is for his government. It also reforms means asset state assure again strongly. The LDP unchallenged means incontestable, undisputed, undeniable, unquestionable, and defined position in domestic politics. Regardless means despite, notwithstanding, in spite of the troubles it has faced in recent years, underlying there is no serious challenger to its continued dominance. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करें और जो भी मेरी गलती हो प्लीज़ को इग्नोर करें, क्योंकि मैं खुद अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने के लिए वीडियो बना रही हूँ. तो आपको अच्छा लगे तो आप भी ऐसे ही ट्राई करना. और हाँ, इसकी PDF मैं आपको टेलीग्राम में दूंगी. जितने भी आपने वर्ड्स मैंने बीच में बताए हैं मीनिंग करके, वो सब ये रहे. इसकी PDF बनी हुई है. टेलीग्राम आपको ज्वाइन कर लेना आप, उसमें आपको मिल जाएगा. अंडरलाइन इज़ अ वर्ब, इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी मीनिंग. आउटरीच इज़ एडजेक्टिव. पता होना चाहिए कि ये सब क्या क्या होते हैं. जो न्यू वर्ड्स है उसकी मीनिंग आपको पता चल जाएगी. अब वो है हमारे एडजेक्टिव, नाउन, प्रोनाउन, सब पता. फ्रेजल वर्ब, टेक ओवर इज़ अ फ्रेजल वर्ब. हिंदी मीनिंग कब्जा, नियंत्रण करना, नियंत्रण प्राप्त करना. मेड रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बहुत सारे हैं. तो आप इसके लिए टेलीग्राम में ज्वाइन कर लेना. अब प्लीज़ वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर लेना. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद.